To autoplay your Spotify favorite playlist when the exercise mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise. Next, tap change setting. Under suggested setting section, tap add action. Scroll down the screen and then select music. Tap Spotify playlist. Next, select the desired playlist. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the exercise mode is active, your phone will automatically play the selected playlist in the Spotify app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.